Leagoo is a fairly well-established phone manufacturer based in Malaysia. Today they've created something like the iPhone 11 Pro Max. It is named the Leagoo Z20. So today we are gonna unbox this Leagoo Z20 and I'm gonna give my first-hand impressions to y'all. Let's get started. The box is fairly simple with a wraparound green color theme, and at the front we do have the Leagoo branding as well as the model, which is the Z20, and all around the box you just have the Leagoo branding, and at the back you have a spec sheet as well as the iMac stickers, etc. Now let's move on to the unboxing experience on this Z20. So this $100 phone has impressive unboxing experience. The box is smoothly, it builds up a bit of hype. Okay, first thing we have the phone, and it looks really clean. That's the first thing I can say about the phone. Next we have some other accessories, which is a warranty card, and inside this insert we do have a jigsaw of accessories. This is some earphones, they have some silicone tips, and next we have a USB cable, a micro USB cable. Yes, this still uses micro USB. A power brick which supports slow charging 5 watts, as well as a screen protector. Let's look at the case first. A clear case, always nice to have it. And the screen protector, which I'm not sure whether it's glass or plastic. Let me just take it out and check. Okay, it feels like glass. Yes, it is glass, it's not easily bent. So yes, we get a glass screen protector, a nice touch, but there's already one plastic screen protector pre-installed on the phone. Lastly, we have a quick start guide, or you can call it a manual. Pretty basic for a manual. So yes, that's all for the unboxing experience. Quite good for $100. Now we have the phone itself. First impressions, I'm just blown away by how clean and neat this looks. Powering on, you can see it's powered by Android. It looks like it's Android 10, but I'm sure it's Android 8 Go edition. Let's wait for this to boot up. I can't help but to flip to the back and admire this design. It has a glossy plastic back. Yes, it's plastic, but it feels like glass, and overall it feels pretty solid. You can't really see it on camera, but so far a pretty solid phone. And even the sides, they are made out of plastic, but it looks like it's made out of metal, which is definitely a plus point. They made it look premium, and it also feels premium. By setting up the phone, I can tell this is Android 8. After a couple of minutes, we finally got the phone booted up. So there we go. I'm sure this is Android 8. Yes, it's Android 8 Go edition. Just look at that. So far so good. The phone is running rather smoothly on Android 8 Go edition. And if you don't already know, Android 8 Go edition is a light variant of the Android 8 full experience. It's for not so powerful devices, and I'm really a big fan of it. First thing to note is the display. So this display is by no means a Samsung Super AMOLED high refresh rate screen. This phone's display is not as good as even the Samsung Galaxy A10, but Samsung is good at screens, and this is just a fairly well established manufacturer. I would say this phone is quite good. Look at the viewing angles, it's still clearly visible at after 120 degrees. So yes, so far the screen is okay. You look closely, you can't distinguish each individual pixels, which is quite a luxury at this price. There's nothing to complain about for the display. I'm sure this is a 720p display. So overall, the display doesn't get a plus point for it, also doesn't get a minus point. Next, let's test the camera, cause this is everyone's concern. So you can notice the lag on this. I'm just gonna take a photo of my plant, or my artificial plant, right now. The shutter speed is quite slow. It's a serviceable 8 megapixel camera. Now let's test it on another image. Oh yeah, and I'll be testing its gaming capabilities, its front-facing camera capabilities, video recording capabilities in my full comprehensive review dropping in 1 week. So do subscribe if you don't want to miss that out. So from the images, the camera is okay for the buck you're paying. So overall, I'll say this phone as of now has some great offers like the design. I'm not blown away by the display this thing has, but it's really quite good, and it's enough for me to enjoy viewing content. So that's all I have for today. Thanks for watching. Do remember to subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.